Welcome to all my online lecture. Our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalay Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Friday. Today's date is 27th August 2021. Standard 4th subject EVS 1, and today's topic is water for every household. Friends, now tell me sources of water. We get water comes from the rain. We get also water wells, river, borewell, lake, pond. Now, what are the different purposes for which we need water? Correct. For drinking, for planting, for drinking, for cooking, for bathing, for planting, for electricity, for construction, for factories, for cleaning, etc. We get water from the well, river, lake, rain, stream. These all called natural resource, but tap is do not natural resource of the water. Now tell me which the pictures below shows some containers used for storing water at home. Tell me name correct. First one, tap earthen pot, plastic filter, plastic tank, copper pot and steel tank. Now tell me which of these have come into use more recently? Correct. Steel tank, plastic filter and plastic tank used more recently. What materials are used to make these in different containers? Earthen, plastic, earthen pots made from earthen, plastic made from plastic, copper pot made for copper, and steel is made for iron and carbon. What are the advantages of having a lid and a tap on the container? It becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. All of you understood? Very good. It becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. We use steel tank or steel pot or plastic tank, plastic pot, bag. These containers storing water at home. Nowadays, steel or plastic is also used to make different containers for storing water. We store the water for drinking and cooking. Why we storing water? For drinking and cooking. To ensure good hygiene, we must have safe drinking water. Care of drinking water. How to care our water? If we consume contaminated water, it can cause diseases. Consume means drink. If we consume contaminated means muddy water, the water that's endanger our health, it's called contaminator. The water that endanger our health, it's called contaminated. We consume contaminated water, it can cause diseases, cholera, etc. We keep the drinking water containers covered. What do you see in this picture? Keep the drinking water covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish. What advantage? This covered prevent dust and rubbish entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt on our hands can enter the water. So we use a dipper. What is called? It's called dipper. What is it? Dipper. Why we use the dipper? You take water easily. Do not enter the dirt in the water. So use dipper. The water pot that have no tap, you use dipper to take it out water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt on the hands can enter the water. So we use a dipper to take the water and we replace the lid at once. Replace the lid at once. The best method of taking water is to have a tap. What is it? Tap. This water container have a tap. You take water easily. This way it becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. That is why we prevent contamination. When the water in the container when the water in a container when the water in container is finished, what do? Wash the container very well before refilling it. What do? Wash the container very well before refilling. If we take such care, drinking water remains clean. Then what happens? Your water remains clean. Water does not become stale. What? Water does not become stale. Some people believe that the previous day's drinking water must be thrown away and fresh waters to every day because the previous day's water becomes stale, but this is a misconception. What? Your mother or father or your older brother or sisters fill water previous day or yesterday, this water do not throw away because this water does not become stale. This is misconception. If you throw away the water, this is called misconceptions. Water does not become stale. Some people believe that the previous day's drinking water must be thrown away and fresh waters to every day. They think about this water become stale, but that is misconception. Throwing away that water amounts to wasting good water. We should use drinking water for other purposes only if it gets dirtied due to some reasons. Which water throw only dirtied due to some reasons? For example, you forget covered the lid, covered the watering pot. Then this watering pot enter dust or rubbish. So this or someone dip his hand into the drinking water pot. That is why this watering water becomes dirt. This water use another purpose or other purpose. All of you understood? Very good. Take a plastic bottle Try this. Take a plastic bottle, cut off its upper narrow portion. Make four small holes on the four sides of the bottle near its base. Look at what is it? Take a plastic bottle, cut its upper portion. Only use base. Take a plastic bottle, cut off its upper narrow portion, make four small holes. Where small holes? Here is 1, 2, 3 and backside small holes, and take a spent repeal. Take a spent repeal, cut it and into four pieces. Cut a spent ball pen repeal into four pieces. Fix one piece into each of the four holes tightly. What you do? Every one holes fit or fix one piece tightly. Then fill the bottle with water. Next, what happen? What do you see? When you fill the water flows at the same time all tubes. Water flows from all the four tubes. What does this tell us? Using pipes, we can distribute water stored in one place to several different places at the same time. All of you understood? Very good. It's called overhead water tank. Large cement or plastic tanks are installed on the roof of the big building. We always see big tanks which is cement or plastic tank installed on the roof of big buildings. It's called overhead tank. Water from these tanks can be piped. Water from these tanks can be piped to the bathroom, toilet and kitchen. Water from these tanks can be piped to the kitchens, bathroom and toilet in this building. When taps are fitted on the pipes, water can be taken or shut. Water can taken or shut off according to the need. This is how water from just one tank can be obtained at several places in a big building at the same time. What we learn? This is what we realize, that this is how water from just one tank can be obtained at the several places in a building at the same time. Sources of water: stream, pond, lake, river, They are often at long distance from our houses. To collect water from such distant places, you cannot be sure that water can be used as it is for drinking. This water do not sure to drinking, use for drinking. Water supply for human settlement. Water supply for human settlement. That is why large water source is identified near a settlement where large water source, for example rivers dam or lake, pond, this is called water source, is identified near the settlement. Water from it is brought through large pipes to common place. This water supplied through or brought through large pipes to common place. There the water is made safe for drinking. Their place called purification of water. What is called? Once again listen. Water supply for human settlement. That is why the large water sources is identified near a settlement. Water from it is brought through largest pipe to common place. There the water is made safe for drinking. The water made safe for drinking. This is called purification of water. What? Purification of water. Arrangement are made to distribute. Arrangement are made to distribute this water all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. It's called Marathi word Jala Vitaran. Distribution of water means Jala Vitaran. When we draw water into a spray pump from a bucket of water, in which direction does the water flow? Fluid of moving water only one direction. Water flows downward. We all know that water flows downwards. For example, when rain comes, the water flows downward. But we want water upward. So what do? Listen, water tanks at a height. But if we want to lift water upward, we have to use some force. What we use? Some force to do that. We need to use on machine. How to use? We want water upwards, lift upward. So what we use? Force. So we use machine, and machines used for lifting water are called pumps. Machines used for lifting water called pump. Pumps run on diesel or electricity. Pumps run on diesel or electricity. Possible to raise water. Now possible to raise water to very great height, but olden days that is not possible to raise water very great height because no invention, no found invention electric pump or diesel. Now possible to raise water to very great height. Electric pumps can help us to do. Tanks are used to store water. What we use store water? Tanks. That leaves the water purification. According to need, water is released from these tanks through big pipes. These pipe branches out into many smaller pipes which lead the water to different areas around the large water tank. In a particular area, the pipe branches out into smaller and smaller pipes which take water to every house. In some places there are 2 or 3 common taps. We seen in the village there are common water common taps for the whole area. People living in that area come there to fill water for their families. It is called sources of water. Source of water for the settlement. Here is settlement and here is source of water. For example, here is river. We see here mountain and here flow river. Then there's rivers water collect big brought. Rivers water brought big pipe through the pipe and collect here water plant, purification plant. What is it? Water purification plant. And here made water purification. Then this water, pure water or purification water supplied through the big pipe and collect here water tank, big water height water tank, and then this purification water supplied town or cities, settlements, for example buildings. Here is settlements and here is factories. All of you understood? This is called journey of water from source to house. Where? From source to house. We get water comes from the rain. This water we get from river, lake, pond. Then this water we collect through the big largest pipe to the water purification center. Then we made water purification. Then this made purification water supplied our town and cities through largest pipe. And this water stored water tank where water tower. What is it? Water tower. What is it? Water tower. And then this water supplied big cities all over settlements, buildings, settlements and factories. Here is factories through pipes, and we get water smaller pipes means largest, biggest, smallest and smaller pipe. This is called journey of water from source. It's called source and it's called house. Human beings cannot live without water. We do not live without water. All living things need water. Olden days, cities grew on the bank of big rivers. Where? Bank of big rivers. For example, Yamuna's river situated. Delhi is the capital of our country. It is situated on the bank of river Yamuna in North India. Where? North India. Delhi is the capital of India. This city is situated bank of Yamuna. Where? Bank of the river Yamuna. Patna, Bihar's capital. Which is the capital of Bihar? Patna. Patna, this city is situated on the bank of Ganga. Bank of Ganga in Bihar. In this way, Nashik in Maharashtra on the bank of the Godavari, Paitan, Trambakeshwar. These cities situated on the bank of Godavari. Now, in some places, water is drawn. What's the woman doing? Drawn water from the wells or bore wells for use at home. But it needs to be ensured. What? Ensured means this is not in danger. This water needs ensured that the water is potable. Means safe for drinking water. Potable means safe for drinking water. If it is not means this water is not potable, then what we do? Then it should be boiled. When you boil water, kill germs for the purposes of drinking so that it will not endanger our health. Boiling water is called safe drinking water. In some places, water is supplied by transporting in it by means of tanker. What is it? Means of tanker. When we fetch water, we do not get water last 2 or 3 days. Then government provide we water through tanker. It's called means of tanker. Now what you do? Take a empty bucket and lift it. What you lift it easily, but fill the bucket half full and try this. You do not lift easily because this is heavy. Take a empty bucket, lift it to get an idea of its weight. Now half fill it with water and see how much heavier it becomes. It must be quite sure to carry a bucket full of water from one place to another place. Now you understood How much work is done to fill that much water? Which fuel is used to run the following machines? Which fuel is used to run the following machine? The hand pump that lift water from bore well, an iron rod, and wash it. The pump used to store water in the water tower, diesel or electricity. Many people engage in the work of water purification, storage and distribution. Electricity or diesel are used to run the machines for these purposes. Lot of money is spent for this work. Potable water proves to be an expensive substance. Always remember, potable water proves to be an expensive substance. So, we must take care of water just as we take care of our other valuables. We must not allow store tap water to be waste or become contaminated. What can we do to use water without wastage? If the water you have taken in a mug to wash your face is left over, will you throw it away or keep it to use later? Good. You do not throw this water to keep it to use later. What you do? To keep it water to use later. Always remember, when you brush your teeth, do not keep the tap running. Turn off it. Do not throw away the water used for washing vegetables, fruits, etc. Water your plants with it. Rinsing, rinsing things, rinsing things under a tap. Turn it on just enough. Do not wash animals at source of public water. Do not swim at public water. Do not wash clothes at the river. Do not wash utensils at the river. Thanks for watching.